Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keyword recharge for Amazon. This link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. First of all, you need to log in here with your Gmail. This is very easy process. I hope you are doing successfully this work. So, first of all, go this Amazon logo. Just click on here. Here is a lots of option. You can keyword recharge for eBay, Play Store, Apple Store, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Stay, TikTok, Google Trends, and Bing, YouTube, Google. Lots of option available here. So here are the option. So I am first going on Amazon. Then I select a product. Example of just clicking here. You can see this is hunting stories, true short story about the animal attack. So Noroscope, more perfect gift for kids. So example of my category are kids product. So just I want to stay with global because Amazon does work worldwide. This is a not specific, but if you want to use specific, just select your country here. This is very easy. Then here are all department. Wow, this is 82 keywords and charge volume are 34,000. Average tends 0 and CPC very low. Just scroll down. This is a not perfect keywords for you, so I want to use just kids. Then enter. You can see here are more keyword. I find out kids movies. This is 22% up or trending. So just click on trending. You can find kids books. This is very trending right now. If you publish a product using this title, kids books and kids coach, kids toothbrush, this going to be viral and it's a huge potential for you, but this is very competitions. So just click on competition. You can see 4 keyword. These keyword are very low competitions, just kids. So this is a not perfect. Scroll down. You can select those type of kids movies. So this is a good topic for you and your business. Just right button click, then I'm go on Amazon. So just enter. You can see this is my keyword results. Then just Control F, then paste. You can see here are no competitions for me. So if you launch a product or service using this keyword, then you will go on viral with easy way. Just go this tool, then type your keywords, then just click on enter, then choosing your keywords, then use Amazon product title, description and meta tag and image tag, etc. This will be easy. So if you want to move with those type of, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video for you. So if you have found this video helpful for you, just like this video and subscribe this channel for this next video. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.